Want eye-catching gaming thumbnails that boost clicks just like this one? AI makes it super easy to design them in just seconds. Start by picking an AI design platform like Canva AI, Photo or Adobe Firefly or Nano Banana. These tools let you generate thumbnails with just a prompt. In my case, I'm going to be using Nano Banana, so go to Google Gemini and then create a new chat. Go down here to Tools and press on it and select Create Images. Now enter a description for your thumbnail. For example, generate me a thumbnail of a Fortnite intense battle, neon colors, bold text, high energy style. The AI will instantly create versions for you. Then refine your design, add your game logo, character renders, or your facecam image to make the thumbnail personal and stand out. Also, use AI tools to auto-enhance, adjust colors, add shadows, and sharpen details for that professional YouTube or Twitch look. Finally, export in 1920 x 1080 resolution and keep file size under 2 MB to match platform requirements. And that's it. With AI, you can create stunning gaming thumbnails in minutes. No Photoshop skills needed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.